What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I last did a YouTube video, but I'm trying to get back to it and try to be more consistent, so hopefully this is the beginning of a lot more videos coming. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with this color called Beige, and I'm just going to apply that like near my eyebrow and on my upper eyelid. This is actually a very pearly color, which now I'm like, I probably shouldn't have applied it. I didn't realize I had so much shimmer till literally this moment, but it's too late now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the other eye. The next color that I'm going to use is this one called Incense, and I'm going to apply that all over the crease. So I kind of wish I wouldn't have used that base color on because it kind of makes it look a little muddy. So maybe just skip that part. The next color I'm going to use is this one called Passion. So don't feel like you have to buy the same brushes that I have because the brushes depend a lot on the type of eye you have. So now I'm going to use Eccentric. And this is what I'm going to apply at the bottom. I'm just making sure to tap because I don't want it to get all over since I already did the rest of my makeup. And now I'm going to diffuse it with the color Incense, which is the light brown that we used earlier. So before I go back to my eyelids, I'm just going to do my waterline real quick, and I'm going to use this beigey color. Not necessarily white. I don't even think they sell this anymore. It's a pencil from Revlon, but you can use any type of beige eyeliner. I'm going to go back to the color Eccentric, and I'm going to go and blend the top. So now we get to the fun part, which is the shimmers. I'm gonna start the lightest shimmer on here, which is Dreamer. This one here. And that's gonna go in the inner corner of my eyes. And the next shimmer that I'm gonna use is Summer. And I'm going to use my finger for this. I really love how these shimmers look. Oh, it's so pretty. And then for the outer corner, I'm going to use Drama, which is the darkest shimmer here. I'm also going to use my finger. I'm going to do a wing liner, and I'm just going to use this NYX matte liquid liner. You could also do this look without the liner, but I'm going to do it because I want to put lashes on. So I went ahead and applied lashes and mascara. As I'm looking at it right now, I feel like I need to add a little bit more of that cranberry red at the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and the color again is Passion. And I'm just gonna do it in the outer corner. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit more of that Dreamer, which is the inner corner shimmer. So I just added a dark lip color. This is from Sephora. I got it in a holiday pack. I don't know. It doesn't have a name. It just says 99. So I'm gonna guess that's the name. Alright guys, so that's the end of this look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on the next one.